Na ano ba mga kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to congratulate Lockdown BBQ for opening yung kanilang actual site. So previously, na-feature natin sila dun sa feature from home natin, and that was the start. Grabe. The whole entire year of 2020, naging favorite ng mga taga-Angeles and mostly mga neighboring lugar natin dito sa Pampanga. And finally, nag-open na yung kanilang site. Papakita namin yung mga sinaserve nila dito, yung mga promos. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so yun, let's talk about how to get here. So right after nung Friendship Highway natin sa Barangay Kutkut, look for the Westfield International School, and then just across it, guys, makikita mo na si Lockdown BBQ. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video, and let us discuss on our table kung ano yung nandito sa table natin ngayon.
I heard na ang Lockdown BBQ is one of the best barbecue and sisig nila.
Exactly. Let's discuss the food sa table natin. So first of all, syempre meron silang mga Kapampangan sisig. And then sa mga naging popular nga nila is mga barbecues.
So meron tayo ditong yung liempo nila, at the same time yung chicken barbecue nila.
So another popular dish that they serve is of course yung crispy patag. Guys, come on, look at this. I think this is shareable up until siguro mga 4
to 5. Oh, this good thing here is meron na silang mga unlimited rice.
Exactly. So for only 148 pesos, meron tayong unlimited rice.
So you can choose your own dish. So meron tayong chicken, meron tayong lechon kawale, sisig, liempo, and yung kanilang chicharon bulaklak.
So aside from that unlimited rice, of course, meron tayong mga single orders, mga a la carte. Ayan. So this we're gonna taste this, and then later on tignan pa natin kung ano yung mga food nila dun sa side na yan. Right, so on this side naman, guys, if you notice, surprisingly, aside from the barbecue, mga chicharon bulaklak, may mga iba pa silang mga dishes na sinaserve dito.
So meron tayo dito unlimited samgyeopsal for only 248 pesos. So included na rin yung iced coffee, at the same time unlimited rice na rin.
Whoa! Aside from that, meron silang mga shawarma. So you have this shawarma salad, and of course yung mga
shawarma natin.
Shawarma. So available ang mga flavors natin, chicken and beef. So tingnan natin yung kanilang mga shawarma. O dito shawarma.
Ang lalaki din ng mga shawarma nila. Other dishes na surprise ako is meron silang mga big servings dito. So this is their patatim. So makikita niya naman na ayan.
So your favorite homegrown, home-cooked meal, available din pala dito sila. For the promos, on their opening day, yung first week nila, they're gonna be giving away free sisig. And then sa mga repeating customers, if you're third time, they're gonna give you something as a gift. So the more you visit here, syempre, bibigyan ka naman nila ng reward as a gift for being a good customer.
Yes. Sarap ah.
Nakakatuwa dahil ang dami na ng mga dishes, variation ng mga pagkain na available dito.
Actually, magkakaroon pa sila mga other dishes like kare-kare,
Mga
steaks,
seafood,
yes.
ribs, steaks. And yeah, so watch out for those dishes coming in dito sa Lockdown Barbecue. And grabe, yung lugar, very cozy,
Yeah, at the same time, family friendly,
family-friendly.
parking.
You have your parking, exactly.
Yes.
Yun, so you have your al fresco type, your open door.
Same time, pwede kayo mag-picture dun sa mga Instagram and Facebook standee.
Exactly. So aside from Lockdown Barbecue store, so meron din silang Lockdown Barbecue Villa.
Yes.
And they own that and operate. So if you are interested to visit that place, you can also have your bookings here. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace
Peace out,
out.
guys.